Hello students, we have learnt so far individual series, discrete series. Now we are going to learn continuous series. Continuous series. What do you mean by continuous series? When data can take any value without any gap, the series becomes a continuous series. So here, for example, 0 to 10, there is no gap, and again from 10 to 20, 20 to 30, in that way, data can take any value without any gap. That series is called continuous series. Okay, for example, the maximum day temperature recorded at various places in the country can take any value such as 39.8 degrees or 41.3 degrees, etc. Such data is studied by placing items into certain well-defined limits. Let me discuss some important concepts relating to continuous series. Number one is class. Each stated interval into which continuous variables get classified is a class. Say for example, 0 to 10. 0 to 10. So whatever the figure comes in between 0 to 10, that will be entered opposite to that. Okay. And next is class limits. The class limits are the lowest and highest values. So in this case, 0 is the lowest value and 10 is the highest value. In the same way, 10 lowest, 20 highest. 20 lowest, in the next class interval. 20 is the lowest, 30 is the highest. And in the next one, 30 is the lowest, 40 is the highest limit. Okay, lower limit and upper limit. This is double L, lower limit, and this is UP, upper limit, UL. Okay. And next, class interval. What do you mean by class interval? That is the difference between upper limit and lower limit. So the difference is here 10. 0 to 10, the difference between 0 to 10 is 10, 10 to 20 is 10, 20 to 30 is 10, 30 to 40 is 10. That is the class interval. Okay. And mid value. What is the mid value? Mid value means that is the center value. Say for example, if you add 0 plus 10 by 2, we will get mid value. So 0 plus 10 is equal to 10, isn't it? 10 by 2 is equal to 5. 5 is the mid value. In the same way, let me discuss another example. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. 30 by 2 is equal to 15. 50 is the mid value. In that way, okay, it is the value lying halfway between lower and upper limits of a class. Okay. Let me discuss in Telugu also, my dear students. Continuous series nu అవిచ్ఛిన్న శ్రేణులు అంటారు. అవిచ్ఛిన్న శ్రేణులు అంటారు. ఖచ్చితంగా కొలవలేని అంశాలను కొన్ని అవధుల మధ్య అమర్చి తరగతులుగా విభజిస్తే వాటిని అవిచ్ఛిన్న శ్రేణులు అంటారు. ఎత్తు, బరువు, వయస్సు, దూరం, వర్షపాతం, ఉష్ణోగ్రత మొదలైన వాటిని ఖచ్చితంగా కొలవడానికి మనకు వీలు పడదు. ఇవి అవిచ్ఛిన్న చలరాశులుగా చలరాశులకు ఉదాహరణలు. ఓకే, ఈ శ్రేణులలో చలరాశి విలువను వివిధ వ్యాప్తి పదాలలో సూచించడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, వాటినే తరగతి అంతరం అంటారు. క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వెల్ అంటే తరగతి అంతరం. ఓకే, అవిచ్ఛిన్న శ్రేణులలో ప్రతి తరగతికి దిగువ అవధి అంటే లోవర్ క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వెల్, దిగువ అవధి అంటాం, అప్పర్ క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వెల్. ఓకే, ఎగువ అవధి, అప్పర్ క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వెల్ అంటే ఎగువ అవధి అనే రెండు తరగతి అవధులు ఉంటాయన్నమాట, లోవర్ లిమిట్, అప్పర్ లిమిట్. ఓకే, ఉదాహరణకు 0 to 10 లో దిస్ వన్ లోవర్ లిమిట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ అప్పర్ లిమిట్, 10 ఈజ్ అప్పర్ లిమిట్. సో ఆ రకంగా 10 to 20 లో 10 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు లోవర్ లిమిట్, 20 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అప్పర్ లిమిట్. ఓకే, అదేవిధంగా ఒక్కొక్క తరగతిలో చివర ఇచ్చిన సంఖ్యలు అంటే 10, 20, 30లను ఆయా తరగతుల ఎగువ అవధులు అంటారు. అంటే ఇన్ దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 0 is lower limit, 10 is lower limit, 20 is lower limit, 30 is lower limit, 40 is lower limit. In the same way, and this one 10 is the upper limit, 20 is the upper limit, 30 is the upper limit. Okay, so ఇక్కడ వివిధ తరగతులను వాటి పౌనపున్యాలను తెలిపే పట్టిని అవిచ్ఛిన్న పౌనపున్య విభాజనం అంటారు. ఓకే, వివిధ తరగతులను వాటి పౌనపున్యాలను తెలిపే పట్టిని ఏమంటామంటే అవిచ్ఛిన్న అంటే కంటిన్యూస్ సిరీస్, అవిచ్ఛిన్న పౌనపున్య విభాజనం అంటారు. ఓకే మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నౌ లెట్ us discuss the problem. Okay, in continuous series we are going to discuss direct method. What is direct method? Pratyaksha paddhati antam, pratyaksha paddhati. And let me discuss the formula for this. Arithmetic mean is equal to okay, summation fm by n. This is the formula. So what is summation fm? What is summation fm? So summation fm is total of frequency. Summation fm is equal to total of frequency multiplied with mid values. Okay my dear students, and n is equal to total of frequency. Okay, so n is equal to total of frequency. Okay students, let me discuss the important steps to find out arithmetic mean in continuous series. Steps. Number 1 step is obtain midpoint. Of each class. And denote it as m for midpoint or mid value. Okay, denote it as mid value. So in this example I already told you how to find out mid value. So 0 to 10. Okay, 0 plus 10 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. 5 is the mid value. In the same way 10 plus 20 by 2, 30 by 2 is equal to 15. So in the same way we just go on adding and dividing. That is, here it comes to 25, here 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. These are the mid values. That is the first step. Okay my dear students, and next is step 2. Step 2 is, this is 1, this is 2. What we have to, you have to multiply midpoints by respective frequencies. frequencies. Okay, so here you have to multiply. How? Frequency into frequency is called f, mid value is called m. That is f into m or m into f. Okay, in either way you can call it as, okay, fm. We shall call it as fm. So f into m, 1 into 5 is equal to 5, isn't it? And 4 into 15 is equal to 60. In the same way you have to go on multiplying. This comes to 250, okay students, and this comes to 770, and this comes to 30 into 45, 1350, and next 35 into 55, 1925, and next 10 into 65, that is 650, 7 into 75, that comes to 525, and 1 into 85, that comes to 85. Okay, so in this way you have to multiply. You have to multiply them. Okay, after multiplying, next is you have to denote it as fm, and you can call it as summation fm. Summation fm. Okay, so you have to total it. Summation fm is equal to, when you total all these, the answer is equal to, okay students, 5620. And you should also total frequency n. N is equal to how many? Total 120. Now my dear students, you got n, isn't it? And you also got summation fm. So next step is you have to apply formula. What is the formula? Arithmetic mean is equal to summation fm by n.
So when you apply the formula,
summation fm is
equal to
okay,
n
is equal to 120
divided by 120. Number of frequencies 120. So that comes to 46.83.
46.83. So here average monthly wages of servants of 120 is equal to rupees 46.83 paise. That is the answer, my dear students. So it is very easy to find out arithmetic mean in continuous series under direct method. Very simple. So arithmetic mean is equal to summation fm by n, and this is the answer for this problem. Okay, my dear students. Now I hope that you understood the problem. Okay, so with the help of these two, I mean monthly wages of domestic servants and number of servants, we have done this problem. Okay, and if you understand well, okay, you have one important assignment as usual. Okay, practice makes you perfect. So if you believe in that, I believe in that. Okay, if you believe in that, you have to practice two important home assignments. Okay, I am here with giving two assignments. One is it is about marks. Both are relating to marks, business statistics marks.